Welcome to an Idrivesafety training video. The topic is exiting a freeway when the freeway exit is congested and people are queuing in the service lane. You will see the red arrows and the blue arrows on the picture. The blue arrows are the traffic traveling down the freeway. Let's call it a two-lane freeway. The exit queue has already started, as you can see, well back from the second arrow, which is where the exit begins. So you will notice in the video approaching, there is a significant build-up of traffic that starts very early. It is why you would prepare into the left lane well before your exit. When you notice the traffic queue, understanding your freeway exit is coming up, as the overhead sign will point out, you will start to join that queue early. It is a Vic Roads congested traffic model, and it is an engineering causality that isn't having the flow of traffic exiting the freeway at a sufficient rate to cater for the volumes. I drive safety, so can you. So as we drive down the freeway, we are looking, and let's say we're in the left lane here, we're starting to think about where our next exit is. Your sat-nav will certainly help with that. It won't help with the congested traffic zone initially. You have the Werribee exit appearing in 1 kilometre, so you start to think, I'm going to get prepared. You're not aware until you see it in front of you that there is a significant congestion, but the traffic in front brake lights and indicating early, and that second car in front of us, you'll notice joining that queue early. That is your symbol and signal to get into that early, because it's joining the queue, as you can see here, for the exit ramp that is appearing. The vehicle in front didn't make it in time, perhaps doesn't know about it, not local, or for whatever other reason hasn't joined that queue early, and therefore has a serious risk from being rear-ended at 100 kilometres an hour. The vehicle in front and the left ducks into that painted island to try and join that queue. It's quite a difficult one. You don't know it's going to happen until you get up and upon it. Ask your accredited Idrivesafety coach for training on this specific and high-risk process. Idrivesafety.